Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So, I am Karen. I created this YouTube channel as I wanted to share my journey kung paano ako nakabangon from being broke at ano yung mga tools na nakatulong sa akin. And here's my story. So, paano ba ako nagka-fast approval sa home credit with such large amount of money, like 107,000. So I have no history of having that type of transaction before sa home credit. So share ko sa inyo kung paano nangyari yon. Given that at the time, I was broke. So ito kasi yun ang nangyari. So in 2023, nawalan ako ng isang account sa aking work. So meaning naghirap ako. And at that time, napansin ko na yung laptop ko is malapit na talaga siyang masira. So, for such a long time, tiniis ko yung laptop ko nasira. But then, I think it's in March 2023, nasira talaga yung laptop ko. And I have no cash to buy a laptop to replace what I am using. At yun yung ginagamit ko sa work ko. So, it's really hard for me. So here's what I did. So in 2023, nag-research ako. So I found out about home credit. Pero alam ko na siya dati pa. The only thing is that hindi ko siya ginagamit or hindi ako nakipag-transact sa kanila because I know it would be hard for me to pay monthly payments sa home credit. But at that time, in 2023, wala talaga akong laptop. So, I decided to make utang ng laptop sa home credit. So, there, pumunta ako sa Octagon. Doon ako naghanap ng laptop. And then, I got a laptop. And then, every month, I need to pay an amount, certain amount, para mabayaran ko yung inutang kong laptop sa home credit. In fact, at that time, nagkaroon pa ng problema kasi sobrang laki ng babayaran ko sa home credit. Instead of, for instance, like 1.3 or 2.3, naging 4 plus siya kasi nagkamali. Nagkamali actually yung agent na dagdagan niya ng 0. So, lumaki yung payment. So, ginawa na lang ng paraan para magamit ko pa din yung amount na nagkamali para naman makuha ko doon. Kasi hindi na siya pwedeng baguhin. That's the, protocol or yun yung rules dyan sa home credit. So, be careful guys when applying a loan sa home credit. Kasi hindi na yan mababago, especially if kailangan mo yung item. Pwede naman hindi mo ituloy, pero di ba, kaya ka nga pumunta sa home credit because you need it, right? So if may nagkamali guys sa agent nila or something, please be careful and check talaga yung mga pinirmahan natin and all. So that's what happened to me. And then, here's the story of my malaking utang sa home credit with that interest. So after a year, nabayaran ko naman lahat. Actually, 2 years contract, pero nabayaran ko monthly yung mga kailangan kong bayaran sa home credit. So they called me and they said that they will offer me cash loan naman. So laptop kasi yan, di ba? So chinek ko yung offer na yun and it is 107,000 plus. So sabi ko, at that time, kailangan kong bumangon kasi walang-wala talaga ako. I was broke at that time. I need to change everything sa sarili ko, especially sa finances, kasi it's a mess. Talagang sobrang laki ng problema ko at that time. So I decided to go for that loan. I borrowed 107,000 plus from them. And then I thought na matatagalan yung process. So that's 2024, then January. So that's the time that they offered it to me. Along that time. So within that time. So to make the long story short, I got the loan approval. Sobrang bilis lang guys. And ito pa, sa bank ko lang talaga siya kinuha. Kasi kung pipiliin ka kung saan mo makukuha yung amount na yon. I know that ang mali ko lang talaga doon is hindi ko pinag-isipan ng maayos yung interest. Kasi I think it's 2.5 years yung takbo ng magiging bayan ko sa kanila. And of course, kinumpute ko siya. Gaya ng sabi ng ibang mga vloggers that ang laki ng interest. Kasi sobrang haba ng time na magbabayad ako. Yun kasi yun. So, the shorter, the better. Sana. Kaso lang, inisip ko, pag medyo mababang oras ko naman siya babayaran, o mababang years ko naman siya babayaran, sobrang laki naman ng monthly ko. So, I decided to settle on that. Pero, pag compute ko, sobrang laki. Almost half doon sa kinuha ko. But, lesson learned for me sa ginawa ko, ang importante is at that time, na-save ako from being broke to having something to start para mabago ko naman yung aking buhay. So, home credit really helped me, sa totoo lang. After that, nagbabayad talaga ako monthly para yun, magkaroon ako ng panimula. And then, this is one thing that you need to do in order to have a fast loan approval ng home credit. You build your own credit score. Ganon. So, madali lang, simple lang naman talaga yan. You pay on time, before or on the time na binigyan nilang due date. Yun lang, huwag kang magpalian, anything, walang magiging problema. So, tataas ng credit score. So, tataas din yung value na pwede nilang ipapa-utang sa'yo. Sa kaso ko, ngayon, 2025, kasi 2024 yun, di ba? So, nakita naman nila yung records ko. Aside from the laptop na bayad ko na, kumuha pa ako ng ref. Aside from that cash loan na meron ako na utang. So, talagang nagtiis ako, guys. Binayaran ko talaga yan religiously, like monthly, kasi I need to maintain my credibility, yung credit score ko sa kanila. So, as of this time, meron nga silang offer na 150,000 naman yun, combined loan cash. And I think 94,000 product loan, ganyan. So, hindi ko siya ginagamit actually kasi I don't need it as of this time. So, yun. So, meaning, in short, ang kailangan mo lang talaga to have fast approval with that huge amount of money from home credit is to maintain your credit score or your credibility. Yung magbabayad ka ng tamang oras, hindi ka na-relate, walang penalties, ganun. Kasi alam natin, pag hindi tayo nakabayad dyan, kahit 1 day, 2 day, meron penalty. So, sinabi talaga sa akin yan ng agent. I always remember that. So, parang hindi masyadong lumaki yung mabayaran natin sa kanila. We just pay what we need to pay on time. So, yun. So, I hope meron kayong natutunan sa mga sinasabi ko dito kasi this is based on my experience, by the way. So, by the way, please don't forget to subscribe. So, based on my experience and kailangan ko kasi matulungan yung sarili ko. So, I have no choice but lumapit sa kanila sa home credit or ano pa man, pero sa akin, home credit muna kasi yung familiar ako para magkaroon ako ng panimula at mabago yung buhay ko. I will make sure na lahat naman ng kinuha ko sa kanila is gagamitin ko talaga. Needs talaga siya, hindi lang siya wants. So, yon ang share ko sa inyo and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
Save me when the pieces fell out of place.